back for a look at some Canadian market movers. Let's welcome Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes. She joins us from the Bloomberg News Bureau in downtown Toronto. Stephanie, great to have you with us. I know you've been watching uranium stocks today.
Hey, Paul. Yeah, that's right. So I was looking at Cameco in particular. That company gained as much as 7% today, which was the biggest intraday gain since last October, and it made it one of the top performers on the TSX for a good chunk of the trading day today. And that came as Cathie Wood and her ARK Invest team sold out of the U.S.-based uranium producer Oklo. It's a nuclear startup backed by OpenAI's Sam Altman, and bought into Cameco, which is the Saskatoon-based uranium miner. So Wood added over 17,000 shares of Cameco into her portfolio. Uranium names have been rallying more broadly, and more generally, I should say, as U.S. President Donald Trump announced a joint venture yesterday between OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle. They're planning a venture called Stargate to build out AI infrastructure and data centers. Now, projects like that are going to require a lot of juice to power the network. So a lot of the big tech companies have been looking towards uranium as a low carbon power source for this next leg of AI development and the infrastructure to support it. So Cameco shares have been up nearly 30% since last January, given the demand for such energy sources. So getting a healthy lift there today, Paul.
And as we said just before the break, shares of Interfor, it's one of our big lumber producers, under pressure today. What's going on there?
Yeah, so Interfor fell by nearly 4% at its lowest point today. That's reversing some of the gains it enjoyed earlier in the month. And this is because tariff talk is weighing on some of Canada's timber and lumber names. So viewers may recall that during Trump's first administration in 2017, that included duties on softwood lumber. So this was seen as an escalation in the economic battle, I should say, between Canada and the U.S., and it was kind of a challenge to the sector as a whole. So that's part of the reason why Raymond James analysts cut their view on lumber prices and cut the price targets of Canadian lumber names such as West Fraser Timber, Canfor, Mercer International, and of course Interfor, as we're talking about here. So the analysts added that a tariff, when added to existing lumber duties, would make shipping to the U.S. uneconomic for Canadian lumber production. So that would mean larger increases in U.S. lumber prices just to keep wood flowing between the border there, Paul.
Stephanie, thank you as always for keeping us up to date. Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes.